The CELTICBIRD Kids 70mm telescope combines a generous aperture with a moderate focal length to give young observers bright, sharp views of the moon and planets. Two included eyepieces provide sensible beginner magnifications so children can switch easily between wider sky scans and closer looks at specific targets. Fully coated glass optics and a straightforward refractor design help deliver clear images with minimal maintenance, ideal for families who do not want fussy equipment. The lightweight build and compact tube make this telescope practical to carry to a backyard, park, or camping site without feeling like a burden. An adjustable metal tripod and simple smartphone adapter add versatility, letting users find a comfortable viewing height and capture basic photos through the eyepiece. Tool-free assembly and an intuitive focusing mechanism mean most kids can get this telescope ready and pointed at the night sky within minutes, encouraging frequent use.